Hey gang, Don Sturgill here on a beautiful Oregon day. I'm thinking about muddy waters today. This river here is still pretty muddy, but boy, it was really muddy last week, a few days ago. It's dropping and clearing, and that reminds me of something. When there's an old saying, if you expect the creek to clear, you better get the pigs out. If you want the water to clear, you better get the pigs out of the creek. And that's the way it is with muddy water. You know, something's stirring it up. So if you've got muddy water in your life right now, if there's stuff going on that's cloudy and you can't see through it and it's just a little bit distressing and maybe flooding some, good news. Wait it out. The water's going to go down. The creek's going to clear, but be sure to get the pigs out. See you soon.